All right, so now we got our little keys here. What we're gonna wanna do, you know what? I thought I wanted to maybe you can give yourself a little bit of extra room up here in the top just so we can have like maybe if you want to put like a name or a logo like I did on the original one. You know, we'll come back down here to the actual keyboard section here. Maybe grab this section here and let's see if we just extrude on the Y. Kind of just pull that out a little bit like that and then tab back out. And that'll give you some room, you know, to add your little logo here or whatnot. Or I think on one of them I added a little LED. Gives you just some room to play with, okay? So now to actually map so we can put some mapping. And one other thing I want to do quickly is show you how I make the space bar. Like if we want to make a space bar here on the bottom one, just to, you know, change up because I did that on one of those other ones. So what we can do here is let's make a copy of these two, just this whole group. Let's actually just duplicate this collection. And I'm going to go to duplicate collection. And then I'm going to call this one here, right? And I'm just going to hide that just in case because we're going to do a little bit of destructive work here. Ooh, sorry guys, excuse me. I'm gonna go to the keys and what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and apply these here. Apply and apply. So now we actually have this geometry here. And what I wanna do is, let's go ahead and tab into vertex mode. I'm gonna double hit A and I'm gonna put a space bar. Maybe these four right here will be a space bar. So I wanna go hover over it, press L. Actually no, I don't wanna do it on that one. I'm gonna go over this one. Press L and then press L. And I'm going to delete those. X, delete vertices. And then what I'm going to come over here and do to one of them, I'm going to actually go to the top view and I'm going to split it in half. Okay. So I'm going to come in here, go to X-ray view and just want to split one of these. We need to fix that gap there too. I want to split one of these in half, kind of like right about there. Right. And then delete vertices. Okay. And that was 1, 2, and then I'm going to do that on the second one here. Or matter of fact, yeah, I'm going to do that on the second one here also. Let's go back to my top view. Actually, you know what? I don't even need to do that. Check it out. We're just going to do this even better. We're going to come over this one, hover, press L, X, delete vertices, and then we'll take this one here. And let me zoom in so we make sure we're getting the right stuff. Good. We got it. And just go GX. Up, we didn't get everything. We didn't get everything. I'm going to come in here and split this one right down this middle. Let's get everything. Okay, GX. Oh, proportional editing's on. Press O to turn that off. GX. There it is. Good. Okay, GX. I'm going to kind of just scroll that all the way over here. And we need to match. Let's match that distance in here. Zoom in GX while they're still selected and bring that right up to the edge there. Boom. All right, let's tab out of that and see what that looks like. There it is. Looking cool here. And we can do the same thing up here on the top one if you want to add like a delete button. Just come back in here to vertex mode. We're going to take this one, double tab. I want to go to hover over this, press L, X, delete vertices, go to my top view, make sure X-ray's on, and then we're going to select half of this one. That's why we made them in 6. We did 6 loops cut, so we have an even split, and like that. And then all we're going to do is GX, slide that over. And again, matching that distance between the two there. Boom. Tab out of that. Boom. There's our delete button. Okay. And then again, we could move it a little bit. Let's go over the top view. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit here and just even this out. GZ, not up, GY, a little more GY. Sweet. That's looking nice. I think we got a little bit of, I could tighten this up here on the side on the keyboard here. Jump back on the top. Again, edit mode, vertices. Alt Z for shortcut for X-ray mode. Grab this edge here. Make sure we're grabbing everything. See, I was missing something. Grab this edge here and just GX. Hold down shift. Just tighten that edge up a little bit. All right, there's our keys. Now to get the project to map so we can do our own custom material on the top. I'm going to click on the keys, go to top view, go to edit view, vertex, select everything. Matter of fact, I'm going to switch to face view. I don't think it really matters, but I'm going to face view, select everything. Go to your UV editing, and then in the UV editor, what I want to do, see that over here, the UV editor, I want to come in here and I want to, matter of fact, I think I want to unwrap it first. Let's go tab, actually U, unwrap. I'm going to go smart UV project, and I'm just going to hit OK, and it's going to look like boo boo. And then what I'm going to do here is go into my top view over here. And then I'm going to go, actually, I did it backwards. Actually, we should just go unwrap and project from view. Boom, there we go. Once we do the project from view, I'm going to go ahead and just zoom, hold down shift, Scale this up a little bit, right? Get it centered. Scale that up a little bit more. All right, that's looking cool. So from here, with all of them selected, come to UVs, export UV layout, and then save that with your file. And then on the size over here, I select them both, right tab, ×2. So we got a 2K image, export UV layout. Okay, and then let's do that one more time. Let's go back to object mode. We'll select the actual keyboard, the board, select the same thing, go to faces, select all faces, hit U, project from view, A, scale that up. There might be like an option here where you can automatically get this more centered, but I just haven't played with it enough to figure that out. So scale this up a little bit here, right? Export, come on. UVs, export UV layout. Same thing, save it to where your file is. And it should be already set up for 2K again, and then hit export UV layout. All right, sweet. So we got that done. And next what I would do is either jump into GIMP or Photoshop to do the custom material that you guys want to put on top. So I'm going to quickly use Photoshop, but again, like I said, you can use GIMP if you have that. And let's get into that in the next one.